Kamp here with SONAR.
Hey, I'm Daniel with Purolator.
Cargo Margo here, Margo Waldie with Custom Goods.
Hello, my name is Ron Castaldo. I'm the CEO of United Delivery Service.
Hi, Kara Matzko here with the Port of Virginia.
My name is Maria Iwanu from Fuze Logistics.
Hi, I'm Ryan Moenke. I'm with Premier Trailer Leasing.
Hi, my name is David with Gather AI.
Hey everybody, Scott Fata, Principal Director with Accenture.
Hi, my name's Lance Patonai. We are Maveneer.
Hi, my name's Steve DeMello. We're here at RILA and I'm with TFI International.
Jeff Secrest from Landstar.
Hello, this is Andrea Hall, Vice President of Marketing with Aloha Freight.
My name is Nick Irwin, here with Gulf Winds International.
Hi, I'm Frank Craven. I'm Vice President of Sales with FragilePAK.
Hi, I'm Ben Stone with iGPS, here representing the plastic pallet pooling industry.
Richard Anderson here with EasyPost, multi-carrier shipping company. I'm a commercial sales executive here. We help with the different stages of shipping, pre-shipping, packaging, and post-shipment.